We will start with its summary now. The poet sees an old photograph. It shows the poet's mother and her two cousins, Betty and Dolly. They were on a holiday at a beach. The photograph shows the poet's mother, a girl of 12 or so. They stood there smiling. Her uncle captured the sweet smile of the poet's mother in the camera. The three cousins stood at the beach. The waves washed their terribly transient fate. The word terribly transient, I want to explain you its meaning. Terribly means great, and transient means which came to an end. Mortal, as like a human life. Our life is mortal, it came to an end. And then, time, the poet discussed about the time flew on wings. 20 or 30 years passed. The poet remembers how her mother laughed when she looked at the old photograph. She pointed out to her cousins Betty and Dolly how they dressed them for the beach years ago. The sea holiday was now a thing of the past for the mother, but the sweet laughter of the mother had now become a thing of the past for the poet. Both felt a sense of loss. The mother lost those happy moments of her childhood which she enjoyed at the beach. The poet's loss was a loss of her mother's sweet smile. Both labored to bear the loss with ease. Now, at third stage, the mother is dead. She died years ago. Actually, she has been dead nearly as many years as she lived. The poet has nothing to say. She has silently resigned to her faith. Now, we will start with the stanzas and its explanation. So, first we will see its first stanza. I hope its summary will be clear to all of you. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling. All of you know the meaning of paddling? Paddling means walking or standing with bare feet in shallow water. Here the word cardboard. Cardboard is that paperboard on which photo is framed. So in this line, the poet says that poet looks at the cardboard frame of an old photograph. The photograph showed the two cousins who went for paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. So here the poet want to say that the photograph showed two girl cousins holding the hand of the poet's mother. They had gone for a sea bath. Out of those three, his mother was the biggest or the eldest girl. Perhaps she was near 12. All of them were standing at the beach. They stood silently, smiling through their hair and watching at the uncle who was standing there with the camera. So, in this stanza, we observe that the poet sees a photograph of her mother and remember that her mother with her two cousin sisters, Betty and Dolly, went to sea for bath and they were smiling on the beach. And their uncle was standing there with the camera.